security first. I ain't believing this. I'm gonna give old Andy a call right now. He gave me that little calling card to call him with, but you know what? Yeah, put me through to Andy Freeman, the Colonel, if you will.
Go for the Colonel.
Yeah, it was you, you son of a bitch. You're the one that had Georgia shut down. You're the one that had Livewire show canceled. You're the one that had Sales versus Cruz stopped, put to a complete halt.
Ryan Rain. Whoa, hey, whoa, slow down. Hey man, I told you, I can either confirm or deny whether or not the Colonel got involved in Georgia politics to shut things down. But you know what? If the Colonel had to call in a few favors to ensure that Cruz and Sells didn't happen, well, maybe that's what happened then. I don't know.
Listen, Andy, you don't dictate what goes on here. You got that. This is still my show.
Well, I told you, the Colonel is in command. And you know what? Maybe I'm going to make some changes there. You know, maybe I'll start by firing you and maybe getting rid of Big Game James and that scrub David Coleman.
Okay. So you just want to get rid of the men that built this show for you to be here. You just want to come in, wipe it all clean. Yeah, a typical Colonel. Yeah, okay. You want to deprive these great fans of seeing Matt Sells beat Jeremy Cruz for the title. Is that what it is?
Yeah, well, I hear what you're saying, but I told you I'm in charge, and I told you that Cruz and Sells is not going to happen, and I have to shut down Georgia to do it. Well, then so be it. There's nothing you can do about it.
You know what? I'm in a bad mood. I shouldn't be. I'm still. You know what? I think we both need this. I'm gonna sing a song. It's a new tactic. I hope it works. Get your cowbell ready.
Wait.
Just a man called Sting. A man called Sting. He does this. He does that.
That's crazy.